Welcome back to the class. Today in this class we are going to learn an interesting lesson, Do It Yourself. 4th Standard English Samchekalvi Term 1 Book page number 99. Prepared and presented by Miss Julie, JMJ English Medium High School. Do It Yourself. Hi, I am Vinod. When I was young, my parents and other elders did everything for me. Now, I wash my own clothes. I fold all clothes neatly. Allowed to do my work on my own. I am a DIY kid. Here, Vinod is a young boy. He loves to do his work by himself. Vinod says when he was a small kid, his parents does all the works for him. Now he starts to do the work by himself. He washes clothes and folds them neatly. He is a DIY kid. DIY kid means do it yourself kid. Someone who does any work on their own. Okay, let me introduce my friends and their hobbies. Hi, I am Rosie. I learned to ride a bicycle when I was 9 years old. I ride my bicycle every day. I enjoy cycling. Here, Vinod's first friend is Rosie. When Rosie was 9 years, she learned to ride a bicycle.
Rosie's hobby is cycling.
Hi, I am Meghalai. I swim with elders in a well. I compete with them. I am fond of swimming. Here, Vinod's second friend is Meghalai. What is the Meghalai's hobby?
Yes, Meghalai's hobby is swimming.
She swims with elders in a well. She competes with them. Here, compete means try to win. Therefore, she tries to win the elders while swimming. Hi, I am James. I have my own garden. I water it every day. I love gardening. Here, Vinod's third friend is James. James' hobby is gardening. He has his own garden. He waters it every day. I am Halia. I sew my thrown cloths. I hem the border. I am always keen to stitch. Here, Vinod's fourth friend is Halia. Halia's hobby is stitching. She sews her thrown cloths. What is the meaning of sew? Sew means making stitch with a needle. Thrown cloth, which means cloth which holes in them. So, Halia makes stitch with a needle on their thrown cloths. She was always very interested to stitch. Here, keen means very interested. Hi, I am Raju. I help by cleaning grains and cereals. I am good at cooking. I like slicing, cutting or chopping fruits and vegetables. I prepare a few simple dishes. Here, Vinod's fifth friend is Raju. Raju's hobby is cooking. He likes slicing, cutting or chopping fruits and vegetables. What is slicing? Slicing means cut into slice. He helps his mom by cleaning grains and cereals. Cereals means grains used for food. So, Raju also prepared a few simple dishes. This is what the lesson is about. What is a hobby? A hobby is a regular activity done for enjoyment, typically during one's leisure time or free time, not professionally or not for pay. All of us are unique, and this is the reason why our hobbies and interests are different. People may have hobbies like playing cricket, reading books, singing, listening to music, swimming, dancing, painting, etc. Is it important to have hobbies? Yes. Hobbies build confidence because being good at something and learning something new is very rewarding. Why do we need a hobby? Hobbies give you a way to take your mind off the stresses of everyday life. Let's have a quick look of the lesson. Do it yourself. In this lesson, the main characters are Vinod and his friends Rosie, Meghalai, James, Halia and Raju. Vinod is DIY kid. Rosie hobby is cycling. Meghalai hobby is swimming. James hobby is gardening. Halia hobby is stitching. Raju hobby is cooking. Let me meet you with another interesting lesson in next class. Thank you.